I'm back with one more video. So this time we are talking about whiteboard animation. You can see my on screen the simple whiteboard animations. I'll show you how to do this. Because whiteboard animation is trending now. You can do like very simple but effective animations for any infographics, e-learning, all those things. So if you have a proper narration, you can use some icons or some characters. You can do these whiteboard animations. Okay. So I'll show you some 2 to 3 different types how you can do this. So be there till the end of the video, and after that you can finalize like which part was easy, like how you can do this. Okay, so let's start. Basically, we are using masking here, masking and frame by frame thing. In hand will be a PNG image. So I'll show you first. Let's start with this simple icon. Okay, so I'll take this icon this much size, and we are going to work on this now. So better I'll make this as a symbol. You can copy paste later if you want. And there are a lot of videos on animation in the same channel. You can go through that from basic scratch, how to use a line tool till exporting. Okay, thing is there. I'll take some. As I told you, we will be working on masking. I'll show you first masking how it works for whiteboard. Then I'll show you the hand value. Simple box. I'm talking about masking now. I'll mask this. So I've taken a small box in a new layer. At 20th frame, I just open up this. Simple animation. Like this. That arrow below. Okay. If I say mask, is opening. Correct. It's a part of whiteboard only, where you can like reveal the object like this. Simple. Okay, or you can place it in a different way. Maybe I'll place this here like this now. First frame. Okay, and last frame I'll place it. Animation will be from side. Because it's not like every time you need to be keep that hand for whiteboard animation. Sometimes you can play with the for icons and all you can have like this simple animation. Like this here, that's a mask. You can reveal like this also. That's the easiest way to reveal. Okay. One more. And here it will be little difficult to keep hand. Try. I'm sure because it is very fast. Like revealing will be very fast. So you don't need hand here. Whiteboard or thing. I'll make this little. Let's go with the frame by frame animation. Frame by frame. Cover this with a brush. You take one brush, any color, no problem. You can have any color because we'll be using masking later. Big size. More big size brush. I'll start covering this with this brush tool first. Okay. Okay, I'll start like this cross. Okay, first frame. Go with second. It will be very fast animation. Yeah, take like you have 6 frame, and I'm going for a one more keyframe and just started covering here. Every frame that holds whatever drawing is there, it is there. We are not deleting anything. Covering it. You can do mask also as I told the last time. Or if you want some good, you can do like this. Basically, it depends like how smooth animation you want and how patience you have. Based on that, you can start doing like this. Here again, that Box wala masking also easy because we are not doing any lines here, just covering like from diagonally that animation will happen. Simple. Two extra frames. So we have not done any masking or whiteboard here. We just covered it like frame by frame. Simple. If I say mask, mask. We have that reveal. Okay. Smooth reveal we are having. You can play like only first will get box, then this box, then arrow. You can do that also. Clear. So this is the second idea. First idea, you can take a small rectangle and you can move it. Or if you want to smoother specific area you want to reveal, you can do like this. I do it again now in a new idea now. I'll go a little slower and slowly we'll be revealing. First we reveal this outline, then these boxes, then we'll come with the arrow. Okay, so I'll give you a 5 or third frame for the drawing. Okay. So top layer, I'll start. Same brush. So start revealing like this. So next frame, I'm giving one frame extra. Next frame. For all the basic animations, you can check this channel only. There are many videos. Start from here. I'll go back. All depends on, as I told you, patience and output. Not very smooth effect. You have to give like this lot of frames. It will be very smooth. I don't know. It's easier with the brush instead of making that box because you have to rotate that box in every time, and if any problem comes with the pivot point, then box will be rotating properly. So easy, like you just take brush. Now after this, I'll reveal. I'll give some time because when we are keeping the hand, we need some time. Keep this here. This will be a very fun working on the masking or whiteboard. Go here, I'll reveal this box. Reveal this box first because see my timeline, they're like every frame and one insert frame. Like each frame is exposing for two. All right. This box. It's already roughly we can play till 100 frames. Maybe it will take too much time it will be taking, but when you see the output, you will feel happy. It's very easy out. Put out. Box is done. Now I'll come back to arrow here down. Some frames. Cover this. I'll remove that inside color. Okay. Last frame, done. So I'll keep this for 100 frames roughly. So we can, I want to remove that color. So these icons you can do it in Illustrator or you can do it in same in Animator. So based on storyboard, maybe the client will be giving storyboard. Based on the storyboard, you will be making all the points, icons, characters, whatever, right? So based on that, you create all the elements first, then start the animation. You can, for creating it, you can use the Illustrator or you can do it in Animator. Now, so we have covered like this. So now I'll say mask. And remove extra frames. Mask, right click. It's correct. Whiteboard animation or mask. Now we need to keep that hand. Like somebody is drawing, right? If you go to Google, there are many hands you get like this. You can just write green screen, handwriting green screen for whiteboard. You will have a lot of hand drawings like this. All are free only. Of them. So I have one image. I'll show you. Click on this and PNG. If you won't get PNG, you can go back, you can take that into Photoshop and you just make a PNG and you just bring it here. Okay. First frame. Okay. First we are going to start like this. So we are using classic queen here. First one you can give classic queen like this for the hand. We are starting from somewhere here. Go there. First frame will be like this. Then the starting point of the hand. Like this, then go and see the frames, like exactly where we are. The line is there. Just keep this hand here. See, follow that. Here is no need of doing frame by frame. You can use screen only. It will be easy and it will be very faster. Just follow this. Like a very simple way. You are having some 2 layers. One layer is original drawing. 4 layer we have the brush strokes. And third frame we are just keeping. People ask me, can we use guide? Yes, you can't use guide because sometimes we'll be moving here and there. So try. If there's a very simple, you can use guide. But if there is some character kind of thing, next assignment will show you. That guide won't work sometimes. Better is this because you are having own control. You can place wherever you want. As it is the correct way because you don't need very slow also because whiteboard animation there will be too many icons and there will be narration going on behind. So based on narration you are working. So this much timing is better. There are many websites they will do whiteboard animation, but they have some set of characters and icons. Only you have to use that. You don't have your own creativity, and you can't control the animation also in that. Here you have total control. You have to make it slow, you can make it slow. If you want to make it fast, you can make it fast. And even icons, whatever icons based on your storyboard you can create. No need to search for some library where you get some icons which is not at all suitable for your videos. This we'll take from this side. First here, point we are coming. You can use arrow keys to move the hand. Problem. We'll go back to. Then there are some lines as I told you. So we are not going to much on these lines. fast will come. Because as I told you, there will be a narration, right? We will be giving importance to narration also, like what they are talking. And later, this animation will be supporting the narration. Okay, yeah. This simple whiteboard animation. Yeah. Now we'll make this for one more character. I'll take one character. I think it was here. I'll show you one more for character also. Character. Now for any other animation videos, please subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of videos creating character animation, symbols, walk cycles, expressions, lip sync, many. More than 50-60 videos are there on Animate. Just check that. Now I start same thing for a character. Whiteboard animation for character. Same frame by frame will be doing with the brush. A little fast. Okay. Next. I'll take a little smaller brush because too many lines here. Work on these lines. Just taking the brush size. Make half till page. Okay, so no need of. You get an idea, basic idea. That's why. Let's start. So let's go with very smooth animation. Okay. Insert frame and one more insert keyframe, and we are just covering the lines. Get rid of these small lines. Green color is in okay when you are using brush because we will be doing masking and we can't see these. Line visible here. Go back from here only. Animate. But when you're keeping the hand, so you can come back like meaning, right? That the hand will come back reverse like this. Otherwise, you have to jump from here to this point. Jump to this point. This. Revealing these small lines. Okay, because we are here, we'll finish this part. Think of that keeping PNG hand. So I'll complete this whole side, then I'll come back to this. Okay. Now we'll have this. All based on your patience, simple. You have a lot of patience and do neatly, the output will be like wow kind of. Rush it, that even output will be like very fast. Make this big. With there. So I'm keeping like F6 or insert keyframe. They are taking like whatever there is the old frame that will be repeating or copying any new frame. I'm not taking F7 like I'm not taking every time new frame. Same frame, just we are copying. F6 shortcut key, insert key frame to the dialog. So the neck here. Okay. Roughly 90 frames. You can see how it works. That hand. When I say masking, we check with the mask also, right? Mask work. The small lines on that spec. You have to delete the two layer. We are already having that hand here. The PNG. Use greening for that. Green. Okay. Here, first frame is just follow this. It takes part. Here, that part is open. Okay. Basically idea. Yeah. So just keep this hand here. I won't be doing full. It's simply a lengthy video. You know the basics now. I'll show you in this sense. Show me the source file. Then this video same. I've done the masking first. This we have the character using brush. We have just done that mask kind of thing, or like we are just using it. Here I played like after that I have taken a new layer on colored one. Below the original layer we have a colored one. Just I filled white color in a new layer. Give an idea like hybrid kind of thing, right? Give it like same. Here also I have taken brush. Then with PNG hand we have done the cleaning for the hand. Hello. So this is all about whiteboard animation. How simply you can create some simple animations. Okay. This. That's all for this video. Bye bye. See you in next video. Okay.